Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel WordSprout. Today, we'll take a peek into Detective Carter's diary. He took on an unusual case, a missing cat. How did the search unfold? Let's find out together.
August 4th, 2024. Stormy. Hi, diary. Today was anything but ordinary. It all started when I got a call from a new client. She sounded desperate, almost on the verge of tears. My cat, Whiskers, is missing, she said. Now, I've handled plenty of odd cases in my time, but this one caught me off guard. A missing cat? Still, a case is a case. So I grabbed my coat and headed out into the storm. The rain was coming down in sheets, the kind that makes you wonder why you ever left the house. When I arrived at her home, the client was a mess. She showed me a picture of Whiskers, a fluffy white Persian with a regal air. He never goes far, she told me. But he slipped out last night and I haven't seen him since. I started by combing the neighborhood. I knocked on doors, asked around, and even checked a few familiar hiding spots for cats. But no sign of Whiskers. The rain didn't help. It was like looking for a needle in a very wet haystack. Then I got a lead. A neighbor mentioned hearing some noise near the alley behind the old bakery. I decided to check it out. The alley was dark, the kind of place that would give anyone the creeps. As I carefully made my way through, I noticed paw prints in the mud, small, but they were there. I followed the trail, heart racing a little faster. The prints led me to an old, broken-down shed. I pushed the door open, and there, huddled in the corner, was Whiskers. He was wet, dirty, and clearly unhappy, but alive and well. Getting him out wasn't easy. Whiskers wasn't exactly thrilled to see me. After a bit of a struggle, and a few more scratches than I'd like to admit, I managed to wrap him in my coat and carry him back. The client's face lit up when she saw us. She scooped Whiskers into her arms, tears of relief streaming down her face. It was a rewarding moment, seeing the relief wash over her. So, the day that started with a desperate phone call ended with a happy reunion. It wasn't the most glamorous case, but it was one I won't forget anytime soon. Good night, diary. I think I've earned a good night's sleep. See you tomorrow.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.